is up, Unplugged family? Listen here, player. This is what we are about to do today. I'm about to go get a radar because the player been out here. I'm making videos for you guys, and I'm not paying attention as much as I need to be. And I need a radar just to have my back in the side and the cut. Now, granted, we're not doing anything crazy, but it's nice to have a radar, right? All of the newer radars you can't even get due to the chip shortage and stuff. And everyone wants this one. It's like the red line, you know? If you know, you know. But since we can't get that one, we're just gonna settle for, I guess, a tried and true classic. It just went on clearance and it's available. Like, I could drive up there and pick it up. Are they worth it? That's like the biggest question. Are radar detectors worth it? Now, they are radar detectors, not you-know-who detectors. So keep that in mind. Let's go. Bruh, can you see how dirty it is? Oh well, even if you can't see, it needs a wash. Alright, gang, back at it again in the Best Buy parking lot. Pick up products, open them and unbox them in the parking lot. Alright, so Uniden R7 Extreme. I think this is a smart move on my behalf. Just for now, you know, it's something to keep me current right now, because I'm not finna stop making content, you know what I mean? So I can't wait for these newer generation, next gen radars to become available. So as you can see, booyah, this comes in a nice little, it's actually a nice carry case for it. That's what's up. Radar detectors aren't cheap, especially when you want good ones. You're gonna spend a nice bag. Oh, this is a decent size, you know, come in this little thing right here. And booyah, there's the detector. I'm not even gonna lie, like in photos, it makes it look massive. This isn't that big, especially if we get it up here in this upper area right here. Yeah, having this cable just hanging in the car is not the vibe. We definitely gonna have to hardwire this in. Yeah, this thing going off. So that's another thing when it comes to these radar detectors. You don't want one that's just like a chatty patty. Picking up a KA. So KA is usually them boy. Okay. Radar already putting in that work. What is up, Unplugged family? Yo, what do we got going on today? We got a handful of things going on, but let me fill you guys in. So basically, I need to go pull up to UPS because I got shipped a new dope camera from Nikon. Nikon sent it out to me. They wanted me to check it out along with 2 dope lenses. So I got to go pull up to, you know, the spot and pick that up. But in more exciting news, not more exciting news, but in other news though, I got this package from Amazon. So let me open this up real quick because this is gonna be a fun thing that we're gonna be doing on the inside. We're gonna be hardwiring our current radar detector, getting rid of that super long cable that plugs into the, you know, little cigarette lighter or whatever you call it. Nevertheless, that's what's on the agenda today, but I need to go pick up that box from Nikon. All right, y'all. Let's get a spirited start for y'all. It's not a cold start because we've already started the car today. And there's the, you know, new radar in full effect. I need to figure out how to make it just, Yo, Travis Scott, you got all the paper, player. Say something for me, man. Man, you know what? I really rock with y'all, and one thing I want to do, y'all already know, I like to inspire and encourage and stuff like that, but real talk, I gotta say this. Whatever it is that you want to do or you're thinking about doing it or that you would love to do it, period. But listen, man, one thing I need y'all to do, I need y'all to turn on your subscribe button and turn on the bell because, man, YouTube acting funny out here in these streets. I done had some of y'all send me some videos of some things, and I'm not so happy about it. Man, I've been here, and I'm going to stay here, and I'm going to keep grinding, man, especially with y'all support. One thing I want to talk about real quick is as far as when it comes to my radar and how I've been using it, this thing has been pretty cool. Like, it came in clutch one time, like, literally, it was probably like the next day after I bought it.
Front KA band.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I just got on the road. Hey. Yo, the K8 band is on point. It came in clutch that one time, but nevertheless, I can't wait to hardwire this thing in. But using it in combination with Waze, I'm testing that out. I'm still new to both, and we'll see how it goes. But so far, it looks like it's actually becoming like a cool little thing to do. So I'm super hyped. Now, let's get in here and let's grab this camera and these lenses secure, baby. So I never used the Nikon camera, but I'm looking forward to testing it and using it and getting some dope video and camera shots, especially of the Golf R. You know what I mean? That's the project, the hot project for me right now. So next, I want to zoom back to the crib, get the hardwire kit for the radar, and hardwire this here R7 into that mirror, so that way this cable is no longer. And that's where we at. All right, you guys, so I came home with this, and I came home to this. Now, this is another fun thing. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up for you guys. You guys already know what's in the other box, but you don't know what's in this box. All right, so we got a handful of cool things that all involve the Golf R. Number one, you know this tool right here. If you don't know, then you probably don't have a German vehicle or a vehicle with these type of things, but this is how you change and put on your tires easily. Bam. Then we got the protected wheel socket, the star of the show. Boom, this right here, OBD11, baby, Pro Pack. And then I got something else, because if you use the OBD11 or anything like that, or if in the future, say we decide to do some tuning, maybe, I don't know, I'm not saying I will, I'm not saying I won't, you're gonna need a trickle charger. So also pick up a trickle charger so that when I'm doing this, I don't kill my battery and end up, you know, needing to jump. Those two items, that video will be coming soon. I'm gonna have some fun playing with OBD11 and some of the cool things that it allows you to do on the Golf R. For those of you who don't know, tune in, baby. You already know. I got all this stuff going on, but the first thing and the number one thing I want to do today is I want to hardwire my radar. Okay, so we have the hardwire kit right here. I'll link the exact one that I'm using in this video, which I got from Amazon. So link down in the description below. And then I have these trim tools that I grabbed from somewhere online. I'll link you guys to some trim tools. So I think the first thing we have to do is we have to get these section right here, which you guys can see on the GoPro angle. We got to get these to separate. All right. Oh, wow. On this one, oh, all right, boom, came off. In certain instances, I've seen people like twist this counterclockwise. So clockwise would be that way. Counterclockwise would be going this way and pull this out. All right, there we go. Uh-oh. All right, so here we are, boom. We got our cables. I guess instead of leaving this hanging, maybe I should just pull it off. So as you can see, that black and yellow line, that's where your red is going to go in, and then the brown line right next to it is where your black one is going to go in. That's your ground, according to what I'm reading. So I'm going to test it, and I'll let you guys know if it really works. So the bigger size ones. So let's try to get these in there. And actually, when I look at in the photos, the other people have like kind of like these. All right, yeah, this one's a lot snugger. This is way more of a snug fit. So I'm going, I think it's just the largest ones that come with it. And you're just gonna have to fight to get it in there. But I think that's well worth it to go that route, as opposed to trying to do one that's a lot easier and will probably come out on its own. It's just such a tight area to work within. That's the annoying part about it. All right, I have it in just about as much as the red. Let's test it. It's gonna be the next point. So all right, we're gonna connect these to the respective areas. Let's ground it first. Let's see, boom. And let's put in that red one. All right, this in, and we hit the ignition. Oh, it comes on.
X band, K band, KA band, laser.
Boom. So we're in there.
Connected.
All right, so essentially I want to be like right there. So I got plenty of slack on this to come out through the front of the little thing. So it's gonna be good. We chilling. This is perfect, you guys. No more long cable hanging. This is gonna work. All right, let's turn off the car. That goes off. Woohoo, it's working, baby. Let's do it. Okay, so there's a slot on the side of this. You'll see this little slot right here. And then there's a slot for that slot inside of here. So that's the way to help keep you from messing up, putting it in the wrong way, because there's only a slot on one side. So that tells me that this goes in this way. And yep. All right, it's back on yet again. Now let's do this trim piece, which is gonna be the most annoying. All right, Oh, this time we on. We chilling. All right, so do not have this plugged in while you're putting on the trim pieces. That's gonna, trust me, learn from me. And then, let's see if this can even reach right there. It can, barely. So that means we're gonna have to readjust our placement. I think like right here would be ideal. Make sure that this is, all right. All right, y'all, so in my time of having this radar, I ain't gonna lie, like 2 or 3 times, one time for sure it came in super clutch. The other 2, they were like KA bands, but I didn't really see where the, you know, location of the item was, or you know what I'm talking about. I think having a radar so far is just like, it makes me a little bit more aware. Like as I said, the main reason I wanted to get a radar was when recording stuff like this, when I'm talking to the camera, I may not be paying attention ahead of me. I'm going with the flow of traffic, and the flow of traffic is not always, you know, the proper speed limit. Let's just keep it a buck. Who actually drives the speed limit? Now, me, in certain areas where I know I should be driving the speed limit, I'm there. And most of the time, I generally just cruise at it because that eliminates issues for me. Let's just keep it, you know what I mean? Y'all seen what's been going on. Man, you know, the video that I need to make is the 5 things that I dislike about this car. I think I'm gonna go home and write that up, so the next time that I hop in the car and I decide to record a video, I think that's the next one that I would love to make, is the 5 things that I dislike. Not that I love to make it as if I'm just like disliking so much on it or anything like that. Alrighty then, I see what type of neighborhood I'm in. That's how it is out here in this Midwest though. It's not as diverse. That was one of my downsides. Someone coming from California and then moving to a place that's not as, you know, diverse as California. Not to say that there isn't like separation and all of that where I come from in LA, but it's more off of financial status and separation, which is the same thing. Let's just keep it a buck about when it comes to, you know, that's what a lot of this is. Dang, Ace Hardware is a small store. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be big, like a, wow, people just do not pay attention. They just get the reversing, not looking back. That's why when you're in your car, especially if you're in a car that you enjoy and you appreciate, man, always drive for other people. Always look out, you know what I mean? And, oh, this is reserved parking. Oh yeah, hell yeah. I'm an Ace
Front K-band.
Hardware customer, reserved for me. Again, gang, I'm out moving. Hold on, let me turn off copyright, my bad. I'm out moving, right? Yo, you hear that? That's a KA band going off. Yo, this radar is clutch. Literally, the boys is right over to the left. Oh, dang, it's 2 cars. They got someone pulled over in the parking lot here. And yes, the KA band is going off and it's accurate. Shout out to these radar detectors, yo. All right, y'all, we got a KA band hit. He's somewhere ahead of me. Oh, it's hitting. Oh, he over here in the cut. Someone see him over there in the parking lot. Okay. Yo, shout out to the radar doing this job. All right, so peep game, y'all. In the middle of me editing this video, I took a break because I had to go run an errand. And in me running that errand, I got 2 KA band hits. Legit KA band hits. And, you know, the whole point of the video is me setting it up, me wondering, are radar detectors worth it? And honestly, in just a short amount of time, this radar detector has given me a handful plus a positive, legit KA band hit. So